Here are 3 things that you need to start your own food business from home, which you will learn with Sanjeev Kapoor Academy. A 3-in-1 combo course to master the art of cooking and building your own food business from home. 1. It's a foolproof way to know how to set up your business kitchen in your home kitchen to fulfill orders and run your business smoothly. Second, a vegetarian recipe guide for a restaurant-style taste and consistency for your menu at home. And number 3, hotel-like plating and garnishing, secrets to make your food more presentable and Instagrammable for your customers. There you go. Learn all of that without a hotel management or a culinary arts degree. You get 3 courses on how to start your food business, Vegetarian's Delight course with over 130 vegetarian recipes from main course to starters to desserts, and third course is a garnishing and plating course. So go from 0 to making good profits in next 1 year with me at Sanjeev Kapoor Academy. तो देर किस बात की? Get instant access to 3-in-1 limited edition combo course now.